Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix APK mode not working on Spotify. So let's start. So when we're here on Spotify, first method it's going to your account, and then let's go to settings and privacy here. Then just scroll down and let's go to the part that says media quality or data saving and offline. Okay, so you have to go there and you can check here and remove all the clear cache. Okay, so you have to clear the cache on your Spotify. Also, you can remove all downloads before editing, so you can do it. If this is not working, you have to check also if there is an update for Spotify. So let's go to Google Play Store, and here on Google Play Store you have to go to search and then looking for a Spotify. So let's go to Spotify and looking here if there is an update. In my case there is an update. Just click here on update and you update the Spotify music postcards. So that is how it works. If this is not working too, you can go to your browser and then let's go to Spotify support. So you can contact the Spotify support here. So let's go to Spotify support. And then let's go click here. And you can click here and select the part that you think it's probably help you. But if not, you can go to contact us directly and contact the support on Spotify and tell them on message what is the problem with your Spotify account. So that's how it works. I hope this helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video.